everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if she already has not been all over the internet for you guys, she's been all over mine. Zara Larsson. But not just her and her amazing new album, her makeup. That means it's time to whip out the old expired James Charles palette and try to attempt this makeup look. And then I also got glitter hairspray. I also got some face gems from Claire's. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna do the base like I normally do, but I'm definitely gonna accentuate the blush and really just do extra blush and highlighter. The L'Oreal True Match Nude Serum, the best. All over. And the reason I love this is because it's very light, but it also blends seamlessly with my natural skin tone, so it never looks so cakey. Nice and natural. My neighbors are just, they knew I was filming, so they thought they would just be loud with the construction. It's great. Now I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. And then I kind of want to go heavier for this because her face is like full beat. So that's what we're gonna do. Stunning. Now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour. Also, I don't know why I like to go one section at a time and not put it all over my face because I feel like if it dries, it just looks like mud. I hate this part of my hair because when I was a kid, I chopped it off with scissors because I wanted to be a hairstylist. And now it won't grow back and it's just all of this stuff. So if you see my hairline, why it's not even, that's why. Dot on the nose. I feel like this is how Ariana Grande does her contour. She just leaves it like that.
Yeah.
Sorry, I love you, Ariana Grande. Ah! My body blender. And then I go over top of it with my concealer sponge just to dampen it out a little bit. As you can see, I have no real technique into doing any of this. Now is the part I'm a little scared about, the blush. I'm using L'Oreal Lumi in the shade Dewy Bright Pink. I really hope my blush blindness doesn't fail me today. I'm literally gonna like, I feel like I should have started off with a little bit and then built more on top. Layer number 1 is done. Time for layer number 2. Oh. Whoa. I mean, that looks correct to the picture, but then she also puts it a little bit over her eye. This is starting to look a little questionable. At this point, I'm like, why did I even put on the contour? It's just being covered by all the blush. I think that's good. Hers is a little bit more pink, but she's also more pale than I am. L'Oreal Infallible Powder. Put this in my T-zone. I'm gonna brush off the excess. I want to add some powder on top, so I'm gonna go in with the Catrice Blush Affair Duo. Stunning Strawberry. Just like how I look right now, like a strawberry. I actually look so insane. Do you guys think I have too much blush on? I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Idol highlighter. And I feel like I should just kind of put this everywhere. I think that just added like a lot of glow. But then I'm also gonna spray my face with glitter dust later that's meant for your hair. So you know what? We're not really too concerned about anything right now. Now I kind of want to do this one. You know what? We're gonna do the purple. I don't care. I just forgot something because the sun just went away. This is a ring light, so we're gonna turn that on. I also found a better picture of the eyes on Instagram. The makeup artist is Sophia Sinot. It's time to whip out the relic. The old James Charles X Morphe palette. Now I don't have that pigment exactly, but I think this one is the closest to that. So I'm gonna layer this one on first and then put this in the outer corner. I'm actually so terrified. Also, I always start really light because you can never take away, but you can always build on more. I also am really hoping it doesn't look like I have a black eye. Also, I am in no ways a makeup artist, so this is just gonna, we're just having fun here, guys. I did the best with what I can do. Now I'm gonna go in with this white shade and lighten up my lids. I feel like they definitely used a cream, but I do not have that. Maybe I could have used a concealer, but you know, we're past that now. Now I'm gonna layer these 3 shades of the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This one is Extra Ice, Extra Sweet, and Hey Cutie. Because obviously I did not have the chunky glitter because I was not prepared for this. Okay, this is what we're working with so far, but guess what I found? Glitter! This is the Pixie Crystalline Glitter. I'm just gonna smear it all over my eyelids and pray. Oh, heck yeah, look at that. Look at that. I love glitter. Except for when you have to take it off, then it's just like you find pieces of glitter all over you months later. I know in the picture she has a cut crease, but I cannot do that. So this is good enough for me. Now I'm kind of terrified because she has a winged eyeliner and I haven't used liquid eyeliner for years. This is the Method Beauty stamp, but I'm not gonna use the stamp because I don't trust myself. I just did the first side off camera because I just needed a focus. I am so proud of myself for this. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I did that, but I'm gonna do it off camera again. So now I'm dealing with the scenario where this wing is thicker than this one. So now I have to go back to this one and hope that I don't make this one thicker than that. You get it. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it there because it's not gonna get any better than what I just did. I just noticed in the picture that she has some purple underneath, so I'm gonna add that. Also, I'm not looking forward to putting on false eyelashes because I've not done that since my competitive cheer days, but I have to be strong. I think I'm done with the eyes because I don't wanna mess it up anymore. Now is the time I've been dreading. Fake eyelashes. These ones are from Lilac Street. So these ones you apply under your lash line. First, I'm gonna go in with the 14mm on my outer lash. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing this so I can focus and then I'll come right back. I finished putting them on, but that took me like an hour. Next, I'm gonna line my upper waterline with this NYX black pencil. Ooh. Okay, I added some mascara to my bottom lashes. This is my favorite one, the L'Oreal Panorama. So now it's my favorite time. Highlighter! on her makeup, it looks a little bit more white. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of this white into my inner corner. Pretty. Now I'm gonna add a layer of the ColourPop Extra Sweet just for a little bit more shimmer. It's times like these where I wish I did my eyes first. Now a little bit more of the Pixie Sparkle. It looks so good. That looks so pretty. Okay, I think we're good with the glitter. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Sun Idol and highlight the rest of parts of my face. Brow bone. Like, just like look at that. I'm obsessed with it. And on my nose. Now my e.l.f. brow gel. Now I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario lip pencil, shade Rich. It's not the exact color in the picture, but it's close enough. And the thing that's hard for me is I have a double lip line, which means the color stops before my actual lip. So that makes things a lot more difficult for me all the time. I would say this is honestly pretty close, but I feel like it could be a little darker, like more red. So I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade 90s Pink. Just give it a little extra color. Okay, now I need to blend it out. Just gonna use a finger. I'm just gonna use the L'Oreal Lip Idol shade 10. I look crazy. Do you know what time it is now? Sparkles. I'm gonna be taking the smaller, more rainbow ones, and I'm just gonna literally put them everywhere. I'm finally getting them to stay on my face, so I'm just gonna keep going. It might take like an hour, but you know, it'll be worth it. So I just finished this side. I'm obsessed. I love it. But now I have to do this side, so. Just the eyes. Look at how pretty. And now I'm going to have my mom spray my face with glitter. Oh, look at this. Come here. It's the midnight sun kissing on wrist. Also, this is hairspray. It's not supposed to go on my face, but now it is. My face is so shiny. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I am going to get my hair down and pull myself together. Crazy. I'm obsessed with this. If I could wear this every day, I would. But yeah, that was my Zara Larsson makeup tutorial. Remember, I'm not a makeup artist, so I did what I could. And I think I did a pretty good job. I'll give myself a gold star. I'll make sure to link all of the products that I used in my LTK and my Shop My down below, along with all of my socials, which you should go check out because I think I'm pretty cool and I post fun stuff sometimes. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. I don't know what time it is where you are. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.